Go! Ngayon, nakikita po natin ang babaeng aking pinakamamahal. Ano naman masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Ano masasabi mo? Puro kapakit eh. Iya ka. Ako naman. Hello. Nga pala. Oo nga pala. Okay. Ito naman si... Rock. No, hindi ko marinig eh.
That is my name.
Roxanne is your name. Game 3.
Oh, sabihin ko.
Ay, tanong.
Ikaw muna.
Ako muna. Sige, sige. Eh, naman. Sabi ko, I know I'm cute. I know I'm sexy. I got the look. The drive the girls wild. I got the moves. Up and down my spine. I'm just a sexy boy. What can you say about that, my love?
This guy is so overacting. Okay. As in OA, as in no way.
Oh, talaga lang, ha?
Ah, true.
Well, for the video, I would like to say love you.